Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This lecture is brought to you by Scholars Pride Academy. This is first lecture of English for class metric. This is your book, Secondary Stage English, Book 2 for class metric, prescribed by Syntax Book Board, Jamshoro. In this lecture, I will explain you the very first poem of your book, The Voice of God. Prior to the explanation, let me introduce the poet first. Lewis I. Newman composed this excellent poem. Many students think that the poet writes poems on love and different attractiveness of the world, but it depends on the poet's mode of thinking. Lewis I. Newman is a religious-minded poet, so he composed verses which reflects his love for God. So students, Lewis I. Newman was an American verse writer. He was born in Providence, Rhode Island, USA. He studied at Brown University and lectured at Columbia. He wrote many books and was died in 1972. The Voice of God. Khuda ki आवाज़. I sought to hear the voice of God. मैंने खुदा की आवाज़ सुनने की जुस्तजू की. And climbed the topmost steeple, और बुलंद तरीन मीनार पर चढ़ गया. But God declared, लेकिन खुदा ने कहा, go down again, दोबारा नीचे जाओ. I dwell among the people, मैं लोगों के दरमियान रहता हूँ. So students, let's see what the central idea says. Central idea of this poem. This eye-opening poem reveals the main theme about the existence of God. It points out that God is omnipresent, He is all-hearing and all-seeing. It messages us that we must love and serve the whole humanity from the core of our heart, just to get the closeness of God, as service of man is the service of God. So students, we should be very friendly and loving to other people. This is the best way we can follow to please God. God is happy with that person who takes care and serves mankind. So, we have extracted from this poem that God lives among the people. Therefore, it is said that love to the mankind is actually the love of God. Class, that's it for today. Allah Hafiz till the next lecture.